You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase that's usually used for wines. Okay, if you want to learn more French food names and more about French wine, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. You found the right channel. Blanc de Blanc, meaning white made from white grapes. Okay, so like Chardonnay generally when it's a sparkling wine. Blanc de Blanc is how it's said in French. Blanc de Blanc, the C is silent and the CS is silent as well. So it's just Blanc de Blanc. Blanc de Blanc, not Blanc de Blancs, not Blanc de Blancs. Blanc de Blanc. It's easy, just ignore the C or the CS at the end. Blanc de Blanc, as in champagne, for example, champagne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.